Welcome to Science Scoop with Inshra. Friends, today my research is about Amazon rainforest. Amazon is the largest forest in the world. Amazon starts with the American states Venezuela to Colombia to Guyana to Peru to Brazil and finally ends to Bolivia. The area of Amazon is 55 lakh square kilometer. There are 40,000 crore trees in Amazon. There are 40,000 types of plants. Like peoples haven't explored some largest part of ocean, same like that, peoples haven't explored the mostly deepest part of Amazon. First, let's learn about electric eel. Electric eel have 860 volts of electricity and it can lead to nervous breakdown. It is an electric killer fish in the Amazon River. Amazon rainforest contains 1,300 types of birds and 2,200 types of fishes. Thanks for watching. Bye.